In Italian cooking, there's a saying, la ricetta segreta, the secret recipe. But the secret is not just about the ingredients. It's about how they come together with care and precision to create something truly transformative. At Starling's Children's Mental Health Center, we have our own secret recipe called our recipe for success. And did you know that you are the most important ingredient? Many of the children who come to us arrive with little more than the clothes on their backs. But the weight they carry inside, anxiety, depression, and trauma, is much heavier and they need help. To make sure every child who comes to us receives the care they need, our recipe for success blends together compassion, expertise, and collaboration to help children heal and thrive. Just as in cooking, every element plays a crucial role. I feel so fortunate to be here every day, to see our staff helping in every way they can our kids grow in confidence and help them heal from the issues that they're experiencing. It's so gratifying. I feel very fortunate. The care and expertise of our staff are essential, but it's your support that makes it all possible. You're the key ingredient, the one that helps bring everything together, the secret to our recipe. With your help, we can reach children as young as 6 and give them the support they need before their challenges deepen. Early care helps them heal faster and build a future full of possibilities. Your gift today ensures that every child receives the care they deserve. Together, we're creating something truly special, a healthier community where children can laugh, learn, and thrive. Thank you for being the difference.